mode. So the mode is the value that occurs most often. So it is possible to have two modes or multiple modes. So let's look at the first example. Eugene is working with 8 patients who have stage 3 kidney cancer. Here are their ages: 77, 72, 67, 56, 81, 72, 78, and 80. So let's go ahead and just rewrite this. So if we rewrite it, it's mostly just to see if you have a number that appears multiple times. So if we look, our youngest is, right age is 56. We'll start off with that. Then we have 67. Then we have 72. And we have it twice. And then we look for the next one, which is 77. Then 78. And then 80. And then lastly 81. So the number that occurs most often is going to be 72. So our mode is 72. Now let's go ahead and look at the next example. So Faye is working with 12 patients who have stage 2 kidney cancer. Here are their ages. So 50, 68, 65, 65, 67, 68, 57, 61, 88, 72, 64, 65. Find the mode of Faye's patients' ages. So let's go ahead and rewrite this, right? So we're going to go ahead and start with 50. Let's go ahead and start with 50, right? So 50, and we look at, you see a 57. Then the next number would be 61. And then we have 64. And then we have 65. And then we have another 65. And another 65. Then we have 67. We're going to start a new row. We have 68. Another 68. 72. And 88. So if we look at this, right, we can see that we have 65 3 times, and we have 68 2 times. So what's the number that appears most often, right? So our mode is actually going to be just 65. Now, 68 would have been included in our mode if it had occurred 3 times, right? Or 65 and 68 would both be in there if they only occurred 2 times, right? But it's the number that occurs most often, and you can only have multiple modes if they have the same number of multiples, right? So this is why the mode is only 65 here.